can't see it, I can barely see it, but that's a weedy. What year? What year? Nah. One of those situations. Oh no, 1918. Okay, that's why I got it. It's a 1918 penny. That's like the third oldest one I found so far, I think. Still haven't got an Indian head. It could have been though, huh? That would have been worth digging. I'll take a 1918 penny though. That's history right there. That's over 100 years old. That's old for out here. It could have been a 1918 quarter. Wasn't. Nickel. That's a nickel. Come on. That's how it usually reads a lot too, is like it'll be 2 down. Okay, when I pull the knife out, sometimes the reading changes, but that was going strong on 13, 2 down before the knife came out. Let's see. Let's see that pull tab. Bottle cap? Oh, it was time for that. It was time for the Corona break. Oh, look, they blanked it out. Yeah, pay me, you know what I'm saying? Corona. Mike, I'm out here. It's been 51 minutes. We got a whole bunch of stuff. A plethora of items, you might say. I don't know if you might say. I don't know. But we got a 1918 penny. That's pretty cool. That's better than a zinc penny. Yep, that curb ain't playing. $33. 26.33. One with more readings that are all over the place. So it could be another wheat penny. Maybe. It could be, couldn't it be? It could be Indian head penny. If you're having no proof at all, then yeah. I'm not expecting to find anything older than that. Probably not even that. Definitely not expecting to find that. I'm sure, I'm not sure. But possibly if I keep looking, I'll find one eventually. It's just not going to get too much older in Oakland, I don't think. That piece of a wire. Is that something? No, it's just a stick. Yeah, piece of a wire. We got it. We're getting this penny out. Oh, it's a piece of glass. Guess we're gonna get that piece of glass out too. It's an interesting piece of glass, I guess. Come on, penny. There's another piece of glass. Oh wait. There's that. It's a, okay, it looked like it was some old light bulb piece. All right, probably like a car light maybe, or a socket for one. All right, well, we got that. We sure did. It was exactly what we thought it was. Well, another episode of metal detecting here in Oakland, Berkeley, Bay Area, East Bay. 26, I was here already, I think. What didn't I get? Or did some dog do this? It's a penny. It's one of those days where every coin is a penny. 1964. Yeah. And a headrush. We got a 64 penny. Nice. Reading up at a 26. Pretty high up there for the penny. $14.13. Can we get a nickel? Can I get a nickel? Even at 14? Nah, see, I think this is gonna be a pull tab. The nickel usually reads pretty solid. Like you're like, okay, that's a solid sound. That is a pull tab. And I'm seeing 13 for the nickel usually, like strong 13, barely moving off it. The 14 is usually showing pull tab. That's just from what I'm seeing in the modes I'm running. Very interesting. 3, 4. Says right on top, but a very bad signal. Like, sounds like static almost. Like barely picking up anything. Let's see what that does. That's terrible. We got to see what it is. Yeah, nothing. It's barely picking up with my metal detector, and it didn't touch nothing with the pinpointer yet. I feel like this one's worth investigating. Hello. Let's see. Okay. There's a pinpointer. It came into the play. It's probably just a pull tab. But at least we'll get to know. No. I think it's like a belt buckle piece. Or like a shoe buckle or something. Or something. Right? We got it. That is not what I wanted. Unless it's worth like a lot of money, then I'll take it. What was it reading? I don't know. You have the power to rewind. I think it was like a penny or something. Like 21, 20, something like that. That's random. That's better. It's probably a penny, so it's probably worse, but it sounded better. He'll get me in the mood to dig. That's the game that we play. For a penny? Make me work. Make me work for a penny. That's the best, you know, just give me some reaction. And we'll get it there. We'll take it the rest of the way, maybe. If we can. That, yeah, no one wants that, including me. Including me. Maybe more than... I didn't want that. Maybe it's brass. Maybe it's copper. No, it's 21 straight up. Maybe it's straight copper wire. Yeah, like 20 cents or nothing. It's one of those. Nothing. It's this, whatever this is. I think it's just foil. Good. My dreams are complete. The plant lives. Plant lives. Plant lives matter. Trash, we'll pick it up. Oh, someone ripped up their jury. Someone ripped up their jury duty thing. Dang. 19, penny time. It can't make me go down that far for this bolt with a hole in it. It's for something. 1H Blackburn 2 STR. Yeah. You just never know what you're gonna get. I guess it could have been worse, but I really didn't need that. There's something right there still we gotta see. Is it the nut or is it a penny? Let's see about it. Let's see about that penny. Yes, we got a pocket knife. Sweet. That one's falling apart pretty good. Are we on film here? Yeah. We got a pocket knife. That's an old one. It might have a coin in it, but it might have something that comes out of it, like a can opener or something. That's an old one. Oh, it has some type of mark on it too, maybe. I don't want to destroy it. Well, there's that right there. What was it reading at? Oh, it's like a 21, I think. See, it was right next to that other thing. It's got a mark on it. I think it's... Oh, I think it's got that wolf on it. I think it says Scouts on it. Cub Scouts. Nice. Oh, I don't want to mess. I don't want to wear away the metal. I don't think you can see that, but it's got the wolf on it. It says Cub Scouts, and it has a number on it. It says, I can't see, something with a 4. We'll have to clean it up, or maybe, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. B or A or something. BSA, okay. Cub Scouts, Boy Scout BSA. Nice. All right. We're on old ground. Anything else here? $13.14. Then where's the pull tab? I know you're here. That bird was making a lot of random noise. It's like he found a knife. All right. Could it be the nickel? Facts, bro. Oh, it's a ring. Facts, bro. Facts. I can't get this thing to respawn. We got a ring. I'm more focused. We got a ring. Okay. Shout out to the bird right there. Can y'all see it? I can't see because the GoPro's not allowing me to. The GoPro does things like that. Oh, hopefully you guys saw the dirt come out of it. It might be more Boy Scout. Facts, bro. Hopefully you guys can see. It looks like it has a horseshoe on it. Oh, it looks like... For sure, bro. He's like, he found a ring. No. I can't get the GoPro. The screen is black and I want to be able to see what I'm filming, but it won't let me, so I got to touch it with my hand. There we go. Dang, it looks like it has like a face on it, or someone with a hat on. That's very interesting. What's it ringing up at? Well, we got a ring. 14. I mean, it's not looking like gold to me. I'm gonna have to just go out. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's not looking like gold. And it's like a ring that's like a pressed together ring. Is it pinky ring action though? Oh yeah, pinky ring on yeah. Right upside down. Pinky ring shining. What? Nice. Nice. Got it. All right, that's another ring. I don't know what number it is, but it is a ring. I don't know what it's made of. I can't see if it has any markings. It kind of looks like it's made out of penny material, but it did read up like 12, so I don't know. Maybe we'll get lucky and it'll be gold. You just never know. Right next to where there was a knife, there's a ring. All right, so let's see what else is here. We're just gonna chase this one down because we found stuff here. Oh, it's a nail. See, I think it's a square nail, if that matters. I think it's a square nail. Yeah. Nice. I don't know if we're recording or not still. 1920. That, whatever that is, some piece of metal. Nice. 21. Yeah, it's nice to find something other than a penny every once in a while. It keeps you motivated to keep searching. I like pennies and all, but yeah, it's cool when it's like it could be a ring though. All right. Oh, it flew out. It's a dime. No, it's a penny. It's just a shield penny, but I'll take it. Nice. They're over there working on the dirt. I should go metal detect over there. No keys here today yet, huh? 25, 26. Penny or dime? Okay, let's see it. See it to believe it. It's a penny. 1977. All right, we'll take it. All right, here we go with the wrap up from the park in Berkeley near Claremont. Over there, the Uplands and Parkside. All right, we got a pocket knife, and on it it says Cub Scouts BSA, and it's got a little wolf, and it's definitely falling apart. We got a ring. I want to say Lone Ranger. Also, I was thinking Buck Rogers, but I'm not from that time period, so I don't know if either of those are correct. But it's like a cowboy ring. It's got like a side shot of a cowboy with a hat on. I want to say Lone Ranger, but I thought he had a mask or something. All right, on the inside of it, it says Japan. I did bend it some so I could put it on, and then it's almost gonna break. What? Out here shining though. Got him. All right, it says Japan in there. You can't see it, but I have a feeling you believe me. Where is it? No, I can't even see it. I think it's right there. Anyway, we got a 1918 penny. It's pretty good. Oh, can't see that. 67 quarter, dime, some more pennies. Glass, can, nail, light piece, pull tabs, metal, lug nut, ripped up juror badge. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about on that one. Yeah, this part of a shoe or buckle or a belt buckle or nothing. Lifesavers gummies. All right, I think that's about it. Just random metal, Corona cap. Yeah, there's a ring, ballin'. These were right next to each other, so some kid was probably doing something, burying something or uncovering something, and then they got left. Also, we got this Bond and Company, which is from a dog leash or something, and some circles for the gang. A little 22 or something, maybe. All right, I think that's about it. If I missed something, then that's just what happened. And we'll be back on the next one. Peace.